Good evening, this is Jacob Terrell here. We're watching things here for the Terrell Severe Storm Center. As you can see, we have a lot of blue showing up on this map. We just got snow and this isn't a good thing. But this blue means that winter storm watches are in effect. All of us in our broadcast area are under a winter storm watch once again for Tuesday and into Wednesday, very early Monday morning. So once again we're expecting some more accumulating snow to come in. Looks like it's gonna once again take the form of a snowstorm, possibly 6 or more inches of snow here. Yeah, that's right, 6 or more inches of snow possible. So this is something that we're going to have to watch very closely. I think it's, like we said, winter storm watch. The models are looking pretty good on this thing. I'm going to show you the GFS here. And, hold on, I don't know how well you can see Indiana on there exactly, but yeah, if you can see Indiana, you can see kind of pretty much sum things up. There we go. And so, yeah, this is something that we're going to have to watch closely. So please stay tuned to the Terrell Severe Storm Center. We will keep you updated as we continue to watch the models as the thing gets closer to us. You can see precipitation start as early Tuesday morning, lasting into Wednesday. So please, according to the models, that's what looks like we'll get it the most, between early Tuesday and Wednesday. There's always plenty of time for changes, so please stay tuned to the Terrell Severe Storm Center. We will keep you updated.